大家好，我是阿勇。
大家好，我米芳华啦。
欢迎收看英台 Express，
Your one-stop shop for Taiwanese and English language exchange.
逐集我会拣一条英语的新闻，予阿华翻译。
And I'll pick a Taiwanese news article for Ayong to translate into English.
这集几条啦？
3条。
搁3条，好来。
第一条，反射因为最近地动有较密集，
Possibly due to a recent increase in seismic activity,
已經掂前17檔巨山島出名的八景之一——巨島紅煙又閣冒出來了。
after being dormant for 17 years, one of the 8 wonders of Turtle Island, the Turtle Island sulfur smoke, is back in action.
第二條，台中逢甲新菜兩台現做的雞卵糕全自動販賣機，
Two new fully automated cake baking vending machines have been installed in Hongka, Taichung.
24點鐘免人顧。
The machines are unsupervised and open 24 hours.
你現落錢，伊現烘，
You pay and it bakes.
等4分半鐘就有燒乎乎的雞卵糕通食。
And 4.5 minutes later, you've got piping hot cake fresh off the griddle.
第三條，咱之前講的旅遊泡總算是要來啊！
The long discussed travel bubbles are finally becoming a reality.
新曆4月初1起，台灣甲巴老互相開放邊界，
From April 1st, Taiwan and Palau will open for travel.
互雙邊民眾來往唔免檢疫、唔免隔開。
No testing or quarantine will be needed for travel in either direction.
旅行社報出來的團費比有肺炎之前加貴一倍。
Tour group prices are double what they were before the pandemic.
毋過民眾也是小錢報名。
But the tours are nevertheless fully booked.
有啦，咱之前英大 Express 有講到即個旅遊泡 travel bubble。
對。
即個國家的名，你若照念伊的漢字，伊會變做白流。其實你嘛用華語念看覓，台語念看覓，你攏聽起來攏無像伊的英語或者是。
我唔知因在地人是安尼講，阮英語應該是愛念帕勞安尼，也是
帕勞。毋過你若用廣東話去念共迄兩字漢字，你聽到的音就是巴勞。
巴勞對，安尼就是廣東話來的。
對，就是廣東話來的，這應該無啥物問題啦。咱之前就講過即個概念，就是地球上咱即粒地球超過100當前就已經存在的國家，伊的名漢字名攏是廣東話。
好來，今仔日個英語的新聞是為印度來哦。該講注意一條哦。
來聽看覓。
For 45 days, a village in Tamil Nadu went dark without streetlights.
印度達米納魯即個州有一個磚頭連續45天暗疏疏，攏無點路燈火。
Setting a new example for kindness.
甲好心是啥意思？又閣採一個新的例。
Potakudi, a village with 120 houses, switched off all 35 of their streetlights.
或者波塔古里，即個磚頭有120間厝，決定要甲磚內35趴路燈火攏總禁起來。
To save the hatchlings of an Indian robin, which had built its nest on the main switchboard.
通好保護一隻印度豬雞鳥佇總開關遐做收生落來的鳥仔囝。
Karupu Raja, who switches the streetlights on daily, was the first to notice the nest.
卡魯普拉只負責逐工甲電火點開的，頭一個注意到鳥仔收。
He wrote on WhatsApp that switching off the lights was the only solution.
伊伫網路平台WhatsApp 写讲电火总禁是唯一的办法。
So many bird species have become extinct.
遐侪种鸟仔已经断种去啊！
And we should not let the Indian robin go the same way.
咱袂用你互印度知更鸟嘛行对迄条不归路去。
After 45 days, the bird and its hatchlings left the nest, and the lights have been switched back on.
45天後，鳥仔規家大細攏平安出岫啊，電火才佫點倒。
我即屆真正有發現到，就是若是有外來語的，大家較無慣勢講的名吼，像這是印度的名，啊嘛毋是英語，嘛毋是大家慣勢聽到的，啊台語有足濟音通景來，就是鬥即個外來語的名啦。
因為你若是干那用華語的漢字，華語的發音本身就無親像台語遐爾啊豐
無
富。
遐濟啦，對。
係啊，親像紐約的迄個約，你用台語甲念出來，連 New York 迄個 K 攏有翻譯着。
New York，啊是這有啥物 Tamil Nadu，啊你講
Tamil
Nadu，嘿，改下啦吼。
係啊，你用華語的漢字，你無可能鬥甲遮爾啊舒適的。If you enjoyed watching this episode of Young Thai Express,
愛會記得持讚、訂閱啊個分享哦。And if you have any suggestions for news that you'd like to see us translate,
唔免寫字，做你的下骹留話甲阮講。
再會。
See you next time.